Is your kitchen constantly cluttered and you don't know where to start? You're not alone. A messy kitchen can make even the simplest cooking tasks feel overwhelming. But don't worry. Today, we'll show you how to transform your space with easy, budget-friendly solutions. Whether you have a small apartment, rent your place, or just want a more organized kitchen, these tips will help you create order without spending a fortune. Let's dive in and discover how you can avoid the mess and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient kitchen starting today. Identifying the problem. We all know the struggle. Counters overflowing with dishes, cabinets packed so tightly you can barely find what you need. It's frustrating, especially in smaller kitchens or rental spaces where storage is limited. Without the right system, it's easy for clutter to pile up quickly. But this clutter doesn't just look bad, it makes cooking stressful and time-consuming. The good news? You don't need a full renovation or expensive solutions to fix it. All it takes are some smart, affordable changes to create an organized, clutter-free kitchen. Budget hack. Number 1. Use vertical space. One of the easiest ways to save space in your kitchen is by thinking vertically. Most kitchens have plenty of unused wall space that can be turned into storage. Adding shelves or wall-mounted racks gives you more room for everything from spices to cookware. You can even use the back of cabinet doors to hang measuring cups or small utensils. These simple solutions not only free up counter space, but also keep everything within easy reach. Plus, they're budget-friendly and perfect for renters since they're easy to install and remove. Budget hack number 2. Upper cabinet organization. Upper cabinets often end up as wasted space, with only a few items stacked on the shelves. But you can maximize that space with a few affordable tricks. Try using stackable cabinet shelves to create more levels, allowing you to store plates, bowls, and cups without piling them on top of each other. You can also add bins or labeled containers to keep smaller items organized and easy to access, even on higher shelves. This simple hack helps declutter your lower cabinets and keeps your kitchen looking neat and organized. Budget hack number 3. Drawer dividers for better organization. Drawers can quickly become a jumbled mess of utensils, gadgets, and random kitchen tools. To fix this, try using drawer dividers. These inexpensive tools can create separate compartments, making it easy to keep everything organized and accessible. If you're on a tight budget, you can even DIY your own dividers using cardboard or plastic trays. With a little effort, your drawers will stay neat, and you'll save time by always knowing where everything is. No more rummaging through cluttered drawers when you need a specific tool. Budget hack. Number 4. Hooks and hangers for pots and utensils. If your cabinets are overflowing with pots and utensils, consider hanging them up. Installing hooks or using a wall-mounted hanger is a simple, cost-effective way to free up cabinet space. Adhesive hooks or command strips are perfect for renters, as they can be easily removed without damage. Hang your most used items like frying pans or spatulas so they're always within reach. This not only clears up space, but also adds a stylish touch to your kitchen's decor, making it both functional and visually appealing. Budget hack number 5. Declutter and maximize pantry space. A cluttered pantry can make meal prep frustrating, but organizing it doesn't have to cost much. Start by decluttering. Remove expired items and group similar ones together. Then, invest in stackable containers or baskets to create more space on the shelves. Even inexpensive bins from dollar stores can work wonders in keeping everything tidy. Label each container to make finding ingredients easier. This will not only free up space, but also help you keep track of what you have, reducing waste and making your pantry more efficient. Conclusion. These budget-friendly hacks can help you save space and keep your kitchen organized without breaking the bank. From maximizing vertical space to organizing your cabinets and drawers, there are plenty of easy solutions you can try today. Which of these tips will you start with? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical home organization tips that fit any budget.